Hello friends, how are you? I can presentation the total Instagram make money, the step-by-step videos providing my channel. I am the presentation the new videos YouTube Instagram shorts video create how to create Instagram shorted video my just as like the same things this video Instagram videos. Okay, short is these videos. How to create free Instagram short videos, shorted videos, but short videos. Then a lot of people, lot of fashionable people, lot of businessmen, lot of fashionable, lot of etc etc. Then your video ad, video the Instagram video ad, and this is the providing the video ad. Two type of Instagram video ad created, Instagram video ad created. One type of online software create video is Canva. The second your own mobile, and video time duration 45 minutes to 45 to 50 minutes is the best and quality, and the shorted videos present time is a very important, and the impression grow your business in short time. Your accuracy then presentation the this online platform, the social media platform, the Instagram is a world class, the very easily and friendly user. Smartphone uses the device on Instagram, the total, the lot of men, women, lot of student, lot of child, lot of businessmen, lot of fashionable people, the fashion boy and girl, etc etc, businessmen, the fashion businessman, designer, etc etc etc. Lot of people you have this, the uses the Instagram, but Instagram present time is a very nicely, and the presentation the short time your videos. Same things your video ad campaign, lot of workers that make money of online, as like is a lot of marketplace. And the next video last step is the presentation, the make money is on Instagram shorted videos in the marketplace. Just I am the how to create the free Instagram shorted videos. Very important, Instagram shorted videos. Two type for Instagram shorted videos uses your software, online software, Canva and others, lot of software on the Google search in the make YouTube, make Instagram shorted videos, and your own mobile only for the 45 to 55 seconds, 55 seconds the videos, less than 1 minute. Okay, 45 to 55 seconds this video length, just per under 1 minute, less than. One minute. Okay, shorted videos 45 to 50 seconds, less than 1 minute. 1 minute is their video provide. This is the two type of videos. This system is a lot of present time is the video video of Instagram videos in Instagram, WWE others. These videos, a lot of videos. This is a video ad campaign, video making, your videos are recording on the mobile, then send every online software uses is the very attractive and suitable and beautiful creation. These the videos, same things. A lot of people you have this videos in Instagram, the shortest one under 1 minute, and the for 45 to 50 seconds, 45 to 50 seconds. So I can create this the Instagram shortest video. I can I can open my Canva online software. This is search of INN Insta. Instagram ad by Instagram resales video, Instagram etc, and Instagram short videos or ad, etc., etc. Short videos. Instagram resells videos and in skin, the Instagram reels video background, Instagram video, real video, Instagram video, just one post. The lot of template present in Instagram, the free template, the paid Canva lot of template is in Instagram free videos. Videos in creating. Just I am the just one video opening. The lot of videos is a fashion designer. Okay, a lot of free template the available the Instagram videos, paid videos on free videos, the lot of system, but lot of searches the online on the Google search, the lot of video maker, the short video maker, but very easy and simple way and short time beautiful effective. And the Instagram videos, these videos as in Instagram short, you have this edit this name, etc., etc., your company name, your fashion, your picture, add your picture, your country, etc. Just I'm the opening these videos. Same time 40 seconds. Just your fashionable shortest video to create your writing, etc., etc. Then same things, this is one slide, the second slide, the third slide, fourth slide, added lot of slide added, lot of slide added, clear. But in Instagram lot of play lot of free template uses same things, the same template is a 45 second. Total duration 50 seconds. You add the template, the 50 second you use the name, changes your name. This is it is template. The first 1 2 3 4 5 fifth template uses added pluses are a lot of template. You can recording your own mobile this video, uploading this the Canva same things. You are upload your uploading your device, the selected your device, the selected this the your video location, you know, upload you creating this template. The very easy and simple, very easy and simple, simple design the Canva videos and shorts and the make money. I can just one or two videos. The lot of template this the Canva YouTube videos, Instagram videos, maker, the lot of template free on paid template. You have this the uses the Canva paid template, the more the video template. So nice is food, fashion, beauty parlor, health and beauty, housing, etc., etc. You needed the your requirement, your niche requirement, the making the Canva, the your Instagram shorted videos, very easy and very simple system that uses its Canva shorted videos. Same things how to the search of Fiverr marketplace, search in the Instagram shorted videos, the shorted videos and video ad. This seller is 375 90 seconds videos, 90 seconds ad videos, 45 to 60 seconds and 50 to 30 seconds Shopify ad, etc., etc. A lot of make money. You have the one skill, any skill gather than the job of online. Thank you very much my friends and families. And my videos is that title how to create the free Instagram shorted videos, shorted videos in Instagram shorted videos. Two type of shorted videos create. The one type of online software in Canva, but lot of more than software the searches Google. The second or the your mobile the second the videos time duration 45 to 50 second, 50 second 50 seconds 45 to 50 55 seconds, less than 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Thank you very much, my friend. The Instagram shorted videos create, how to create free Instagram shorted videos, very simple way. And the Canva, www.canva.com, Instagram Reels videos, Instagram Reels video. You have this search on Instagram design, the lot of free videos presentation. You just videos is a open the creation. This is a one template, two template, three template. Is one template. You change editing your name, your picture, your videos, etc, etc. Same things, you change your videos, etc, etc. You have time this the videos, the lot of videos, lot of videos. I'm the creating this one videos. This is a lot of videos. Wow. Wow, very sweet and simple. You uploading your videos, the creation, the lot of picture added, lot of videos, the writing, etc., etc. Lot of create. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much, my friend. You have choose my videos, choose my videos. You can comment and writing and subscribe button and shares my videos, your friends and family. The thank you very much. Thank you very much. A lot of them, lot of my friends. As the last time that my Instagram lot of shorted videos, the shorted videos very demandable. You have this 45 to 55 or 57 seconds create is the video. The demand is the Instagram post. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Best of luck, my friend. Best of luck, my all viewers and audience.